Hello, friends, and welcome back, foodies. Today we are embarking on a flavor packed journey with a dish that needs no introduction: Chicken Tikka Masala. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with a symphony of spices and a dash of culinary history. First up, we are prepping our star ingredient, tender chicken breast, sliced into mouth-watering cubes. But here's the kicker: did you know that the origin of chicken tikka masala are shrouded in mystery? Some claims it hails from the Indian subcontinent, while others insist it was born in the bustling kitchen of Britain. Now let's dive into marination. For marination, I have 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 cup of creamy yogurt, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed powder, and 2 teaspoon of coriander powder. Add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of mustard oil and mix it well and set it aside for minimum 45 minutes. And here is a nugget of knowledge. Chicken tikka masala isn't just a culinary delight, it's a cultural phenomenon beloved by foodies worldwide. Let's get cooking. Heat some oil in a frying pan until it's nice and warm. Then carefully add in our marinated chicken cubes and let them sizzle away until they turn golden brown and crispy. While those little beauties are frying up, grab 2 red onions and chop them up into tiny pieces. In another pan, heat up some mustard oil until it stops smoking. Then toss in a tablespoon of cumin seed and watch them pop and crackle. Now add in those chopped onions and cook them until they are nice and golden. Once they are looking good, stir in a spoonful of ginger garlic paste for extra flavor. Legend has it that chicken tikka masala was born out of a happy accident. Picture this: a customer in a UK curry house complaining that their chicken was too dry. In a stroke of genius, the chef whipped up a creamy tomato based sauce to salvage the dish, giving birth to the iconic recipe we know and love today. Ever wonder why chicken tikka masala boasts that vibrant orange hue? Well, it's all thanks to a secret ingredient: beetroot. Yes, you heard it right. A handful of diced beetroot adds a natural pop of color to our delicious gravy, making it as visually stunning as it is delicious. Beetroot, tomatoes, and stems of coriander, grind it together. Now add the liquid into the onion. Cook it for 5 minutes on medium temperature. Here is a little known fact. Despite its popularity, chicken tikka masala wasn't officially recognized as a British dish until a 2009 poll. And here is a tasty tidbit. Chicken tikka masala is so beloved in UK that it even has its own national day for celebration. Now add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed powder. You can adjust the ratio of the spices according to your taste. Add salt to taste. And now add the chicken cubes in it. Mix it well and cook it for about 1 to 2 minutes. Now add a cup of water. Mix it very well and now cover it up and cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes on low temperature. Now add 1 teaspoon of garam masala, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of crushed fenugreek leaves.
What are you making, Z?
This is for me, malai kofta.
Huh? Malai kofta?
Now add 1 cup of thick heavy cream. I don't have the thick heavy cream, so I'm adding here just regular heavy cream. And there you have it, folks, a feast-worthy chicken tikka masala ready to steal the spotlight at your dinner table. Whether you are scooping it up with pillowy naan or savoring it with fluffy basmati rice, one thing for sure, this dish is a culinary triumph. Thanks to joining me on this flavor-packed adventure. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe for more mouth-watering recipe, and until next time, happy cooking.
Oh, I feel it. Ooh, that's good. A little spicy though.
And here I am making next cuisine, chicken ghee roast.
Great job, honey.
Did you try it?
Can we get a little knife, please?
Okay. Malai kofta. Oh no, something kofta.
Malai kofta.
Malai kofta. My chicken ghee roast.
No, it's good. It's like full off the bone.
Salt is fine?
Yeah,
Carol's just looking at it like it's my turn.
it's perfect.
So how is it?
Outstanding.
Carol, soon it's gonna be your turn. I can see her face.